Hello everyone, Hatem from Objection, back again with the news as we always never promised. I'm sorry I've been long time didn't upload videos because actually I was in hell. Really. You know, I was living in Ukraine and as you see the war I was going, I skipped away, I left half my stuff there, I screwed up as hell. But anyway, thanks God that I'm still alive and this is the most important thing. Today we brought for you Logitech, this gaming touchpad. You're gonna all guys love it. Logitech is one of the most famous companies that they create touchpad and games and accessories, stuff like that. So let's unbox this bad boy and see what's inside. You know guys, this is G240 if you want to know about it or buy it. I like the boxing, how they create it, it's so beautiful, the material. You know, they say that it's for games and I want to tell you something guys. If you buy a super great mouse, for example, like this Alienware, okay, this gaming mouse, if you will have sucks touchpad, okay, it's not gonna give you the performance it's supposed to be. You have to know that. Okay, oh cool. Wait, let's put out. Actually. Oh, you touched my drum or not? It's not small size, guys. You know that. Catalog. Why did catalog for touchpad? Can anyone tell me? You know, guys, really the material is super great. Also from here, it's kind of stuck in any surface. For example, if we compare this touchpad for it, small size. This one better material, to be honest with you. I like the symbol here. For example, now this is the old touchpad, okay? I feel that I need to do a little bit more movements on my hand to let the cross moving by the right way. Let's go to the new touchpad, okay? I swear guys, it sounds better, you know? Really. See here, even I move a circle, more accuracy, you know? Let's back again to the old touch. Oh my god, see guys, no, I swear god, it's way different. Logitech is really way different. Wow. I didn't believe this, you know, to be honest with you. You know guys, I'm gonna tell you the story how I discovered this. Before I was playing Overwatch and Call of Duty Warzone, you know, I don't play so much time. Now I just play Call of Duty Mobile, okay? Anyway, I was have this touchpad and I have another sucks touchpad, more than this, okay? When I played with the same Alienware mouse, I see that there is difficulty to aim. I mean to aim in by sniper from far away distance. I customized the mouse as much as I could be for myself, the aiming assistant and stuff like that. So I moved to this touchpad, it's become better. Then you know guys, I said to myself, looks like the quality for the touchpad can affect on the performance of the mouse. Which is mean, in the bad touchpad, you cannot get the same result in the good touchpad. That's why I decided to try the gaming touchpad. Logitech or any other famous company, don't bring me don't bring me this Trust and data or I don't know what's this garbage companies. I'm talking about famous companies. Asus, Dell, Alienware, this touchpad, amazing, this in eBay or Logitech or stuff like that. Anyway, now for the first time when I move the mouse, guys, I swear to God, it's way different, really. It's way different. So guys, the point that I want to reach with you now, if you will buy gaming mouse and you want to play nice, you should buy gaming touchpad, also nice brand. I'm 100% guys that the sucks touchpad will not give you the same result with the nice touchpad. And this is just what I test now by myself. So keep in your mind, this is so important information. Anyway guys, this is my first video. For a long time I didn't do it because I told you about my situation. I hope things will go better. You know, we'll not jump into the third world war because this will not be good for any one of us. We just want to live in peace, you know. We don't need this war. Better we become one nation and all earth become one hand and we create all countries together. Rocket can go to space, machines, car. Guys, imagine BMW let me tell you something important, okay? Imagine BMW is made in Germany, right? See how great it is, BMW, Mercedes. So imagine would be one factory that all countries creating one car. How much great this car will be. In ideas from Germany, head from Japan, from Egypt, something, India, all country, everyone put some idea in this car, or airplane, or rocket to space, or something useful, or phone. Imagine how much is gonna be great. Why do we need to destroy each other? Why don't we build each other? Why Russian people have to be aggressive like this? Why don't you be peaceful on the opposite side? Why don't you live all in peace? Really guys, if we do this, or if we was already done this from the beginning, now we will make this earth, all of it is heaven, piece of diamond like this. But you know guys, who sit in chair, he see himself that he is God. He can do whatever he wants in the earth. He can create for us COVID, create for us vaccine, try to control us, kill us. You understand me? What I mean? And they want to do with us whatever they want, because the God gave them little bit money. I'm talking about the Freemasonry. Anyway guys, thanks for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe and put thumbs up if you like my video. And we will see you another time with Hatem with Objection. Peace and love and money for all of you.